We'll guide you through how to add a signature in Gmail. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A signature can make your email much more professional, and you can add in some really useful information as well. For example, you could go and add in your contact details or your website or your social media and other things as well. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. So to get started, you want to come into Gmail like so. Just to go and show you my current signature, I'll go and press compose in the top left. I currently haven't got anything. So let's go and get started with this. So what we need to do is go and head to the top right of Gmail. There you're going to go and find the gear or cog icon, which is for settings. You can go and click there. In here, you then need to go and find the option See All Settings at the top and press there. And you want to come into General in Settings. Next, you want to go down and you want to go and find the option for Signature. As you can see, here it is. I haven't currently got any, so we can go and press Create New. You may be in the same position as well. Now you can go and give this a name. So I'm going to go and just name this main. Then I'll go and press Create. So now we can go and get started with this. So what we can do is have multiple signatures here as well and go and select them. But at the moment we've got this main one selected and we've got the edit here. So now what we can do is go and start by choosing the font we want. So press font and you can go through here and see these different fonts. In this case, I'll go and use sans serif. I'd like to go and start off with entering my name. So I can just go and sign off best regards or kind regards. And then it will just go and say my name and my details. So I'll start with Rob Tucker, like so. Then what you can do is go and highlight this and you can come down here and you can go and choose the font size. So for your name, you may want it to be enlarged. I'm going to keep it normal. Then what you can do is go and choose if you want to make it bold, italics, underline it. And what you can also do is change the color here if you want to as well. You can go and add a link to that text. And then we'll cover inserting an image, and you can also go and change the alignment. You can make it a numbered list, and you can press the more formatting options as well and add these as well. For now though, I'll start with my name just like this. Next, I want to go and add in who I am or what I do. So I could add in content creator like that. And then once again, you can go and change the formatting on this. So for example, I may want to go and make this bold like that. So you go and get the idea. And then once again, you could go and change the other formatting tools as well. I'll then press enter again to create another new line, and I'm going to go and add in where I work. So that is GuideRealm. In this case, it stayed bold. I'm able to unbold that, or you could keep it bold. It's up to you. And once again, you can go and change the font size to your liking. Then you can go add in another line, and this time I could go and add in my contact details. So I could go and type in email, then add in colon. I could go and type it in like this. So you go and get the idea. Now, for example, with GuideRealm here, you could go to add a link to it. So you can go and click, hold and drag, and then I could go and have that highlighted and come down here and I can go and press link, and then we can go and add in a link. So I'm going to go and find the GuideRealm channel link. So I could go and type it in like so, and that will bring us to the channel. Then what I can do is go and highlight the URL and go and right click on it and press copy, come back to Gmail, and I could then go and paste it in here like this and press apply. So now somebody can go and click on it and get taken straight to the GuideRealm channel. Really convenient. Now let's go and continue with this. So I'm going to go and select this again. I don't want this to be bold, so I'm going to unselect it like this. Really easy to do. And next I want to go and start adding in some social media. So of course this is for work, so I want to keep it quite professional. So in this case, I want to go and add in my LinkedIn. So I can go and type in LinkedIn like so. And then what I can do is I can come to my LinkedIn. So I'll go and type in LinkedIn like so, just come to linkedin.com. To go and get your LinkedIn link, it's really easy. You go to the top right and you can press me. Then you can go and press view profile. And we can go and see our public profile URL in the top right here. So we can go and double click that to go and highlight it, or triple click it even. Then you can go and right click and press copy. Come back to Gmail. And we'll go and highlight LinkedIn. And then what you can do is go and find the link button. And then we can go and paste in the link like so. So you go and get the idea and press apply, and there it is. The next thing I want to do is go and add in my logo, because this goes and helps represent and sort of set the tone for the brand. So what we're going to do is go and press enter again, and that'll make another new line. And then what you want to do is go down here and you can press the insert image button. Press that there. This will go and open up. So what we can do here is we need to go and either grab the URL of an image. So I could actually do this because my brand logo is online, it's GuideRealm. So if you want to do this, you can go and search for your logo. I could search for GuideRealm like so. And then we can come to images and I can go and find it. For example, I could use my banner here. I can click on it, Then you need to go and right click on the image, go down here and you need to find the option copy image address like so. And you can then check that works by coming to a new tab and pressing enter. And here we are. So then what you can do is come and return to Gmail and you can go and paste in the URL by right clicking. We can then press paste and it's got it there. So that's one way you can do it. Or you can go and put it into your Google Drive, which is probably easier. You can press Google Drive here. If you've already got it here, that's fine. Otherwise, you can come over to the left and press upload, press browse. Then what we can do here is we can go and find the logo you want to use. So I can add my profile picture or the banner. In this case, I'll go and add in the profile picture. So I could press open and it'll then go and upload. Be patient, it shouldn't take long. And then it says allow anyone to view this. That's fine. Press allow. Wait for this to go and update. And then it should go and add it in. And you can see it's really big right now. So what you need to do is go and click on it. And at the moment, it's got the original size used. So you can go and press small. And as you can see, it's much better. As I said, alternatively, you can go and use it by adding in the image link as we previously did. But I do like having it in my drive because that may work better because the image you want to use won't be on Google. Mine's sort of an exception as it is a YouTube channel. So once you've gone and got that set, then you can go and continue adding more. I actually went back and changed the image to the banner. I think it looks a bit more professional like that as well. And so then what we can do is we can go and continue adding more text. To be honest though, I think the image does look best being at the bottom. So I could always go just above it and click, press enter, and I could start adding in more info as well. So maybe if you've got like a brand line or a brand slogan, you can go and add that in, which is really easy to do. Just keep typing. So that's it. When you're happy with it, what you can do is you can then choose down here in signature defaults. So you need to make sure we're using it. So you can click here. At the moment, it's set to no signature. So for new emails, we can go and select it. And you can then choose if you want to go and use it for replies. You may not want to use it for replies because once you've had the initial email, people may know who you are. And otherwise, it can just go and repeat itself. So you may not want to use it for replies, but that's going to be up to you. But what's super important is you scroll all the way down and you need to find the option save changes. You don't want to lose it. So press save changes and that's it. You've now done it. So now if we go to the top left and we go and press compose, you go and see it then goes and appears. And you are seeing we're getting this little line here. So if you don't like this little line here and you want to remove it, what you need to do is we can go and close this and press the gear or cog icon in the top right and press seal settings. Scroll back down to signatures. And then at the bottom here, you can go and select insert signature before the quoted text in replies and remove the line that precedes it. Then you can scroll all the way down and press save changes, go to the top left and press compose and it's now gone. That's going to be up to you as a personal preference. But that's it, that is your signature. You can go back and make further changes whenever you need in the general section of the settings. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more Gmail guides on the channel and more to come, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you've got any suggestions, please put them down in the comments and I look forward to help you again with your next tech how-to problem. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.